And we're gonna start with the intro of this dance, which is gonna be 2 counts of 8, so we'll demonstrate it before we break it down. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. So beginning this intro, we're gonna start towards the back of the dance floor. We're gonna start arm in arm. So leader, you should have your follower on your right-hand side. Offer your right arm. Follower, go ahead and snake through, and we begin walking forward for about 6 counts. There's no set footwork for this, so feel free to walk at your own pace. You can go really slowly, or you can try to stay on the beat with each step. It's up to you. If you have a lot of room, you might want to take bigger steps. We don't have a whole lot of space, so we're going to take small steps. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and on count 6, you want to make sure that you get to your hand hold. So you can kind of separate a little bit, get ready for this turn. Leader, you're going to draw a counterclockwise turn up over your partner's head on 7, 8, and then continue to bring them around your body, bringing that left hand, or bringing your right hand to your left shoulder, and then your follower can continue to walk around until we're in a side-by-side position. From here, leader, all you have to do is pull your follower into you, rotate your body and face them. We'll get in a closed position and ready to start our pattern 1. For my follower, let's talk a little bit about that footwork. So once we get into our hand hold and your leader brings you around, you're gonna start with your left foot, taking small steps, traveling in front of your leader, going left, right, left, and then from there, just continue walking around. You want to hustle. You don't want to get too far away from your partner, just because once you get here, or you need to be here by 6, so that way we can get into our closed position on 7, 8. We're going to do this entire intro again for you from a different angle so you can see. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. And now we're ready for our pattern 1. We'll demonstrate that before we break it down.